Hey guys, this is Mrs. Cutting, and this video is just a quick refresher of the distributive property because we've had a long weekend, so it's kind of been a while. All right, so this is from one of your openers from last week. We're going to look at this section right here. Use the distributive property to write an equivalent expression. So I have this stuff stuck inside of the parentheses, and the distributive property comes along and says that I can break it out of parentheses jail if I distribute or pass out that 8 with that time sign to both things. So first I'm going to write it with my time signs, 8 times y plus 8 times x. And then I'm going to write it the more algebraically way. So 8 times y becomes 8y plus 8 times x becomes 8x. Just trying to put a z. Let me try that again. 8x. There we go. Okay. I cannot combine them and call them 8yx or 8xy. I have to leave them just like that. All right. So here I'm passing out the 5 with the time sign. 5 times y plus 5, oh goodness, 5 times 3z. 5 times y, we write that as 5y. 5 times 3, I can actually do that because those are both numbers, so that's 15 times z, or 15z. Here I'm passing out the x with the times sign. So this is x times y plus x times 5, which is these two. I can leave out the dot as long as I put them in alphabetical order. So this is xy plus x times 5. We write that as 5x. And the last one, I'm passing out the z and the time sign. Z times 2x plus z times y. This, my coefficient, that number goes first, and then my variables in alphabetical order. So 2xz plus yz. So that's working forwards. Working backwards, it starts off written as area as a sum. I'm trying to put it back with the parentheses. So I need to look at what could they have multiplied by. Then I'm going to write it with my multiplication signs. Then I'm going to write it with my parentheses. So things that they can share that coefficient. If they both have that same number, that's what they multiplied by. They can share a variable. If they both have that same variable, that's what they multiplied by. Otherwise, if they're both even, then they multiplied by 2. Let's pop down here to 5y plus 7y. Hey, they both have a y. So what could they have multiplied by? Y. So if they multiplied by y to get 5y, they did y times 5 plus y times 7. So now I'm pulling out in front of my parentheses the y and the time sign. So pulling out that factor, and we have 5 plus 7 left inside. Here they multiplied by x. Down here they each have a 2. 2 and a 2 and a 2. So they multiplied by 2. So 2 times x plus 2 times y plus 2 times z. So 2 times x plus y plus z. Let me find one with a factor. Oh, here I have 3x plus 9. Here they don't share a variable. They don't share a coefficient. What they could have multiplied by is 3. Because 3 can go into 3x and 3 can go into 9. So to get 3x, they did 3 times x. To get 9, they did 3 times 3. So 3 times, I take out that 3 and that time sign, I have x plus 3. All right, hopefully your brain is refreshed enough to do your work today. See you next time.